Dear students, good morning. We wish you all safety. These days we have prepared these lessons for you to help you catch up with the curricula to achieve the maximum benefits. Okay? Yeah, let's move. And my Teddy also say for you good morning. Do you remember my Teddy? Yeah, his name is Nemo, by the way. Okay? The last time we took what? Comparative adjectives. Okay? Yes, comparative means what? We use comparative adjective to compare two people or things, etc. Okay? And the form it will be adjective plus er plus than. Like when I say short, it will be shorter than. The first lesson we took nouns and verbs and adjectives and pronoun. Do you remember? Yes. Okay. Adjective like short, tall, big, thin, fat, sad, happy. Okay, we have a lot of adjectives. So here, to make a comparative or between two things, we have to add er to the adjective plus than. Like when I say short, it will be shorter than. Tall, it will be taller than. And soft, softer than. Okay? We add er to the adjective with one syllable. Like tall, just only one syllable. Okay? And soft. Tall, it will be taller. And soft, it will be softer plus than. Taller than, softer than. If the adjective ends with e, we add r to the adjective. Like when I say nice, nicer than. White, whiter than. Okay? If the adjective ends with a consonant letter and before a consonant letter, vowel letter. So we have to add or double the final consonant letter. Like when I say big, it will be bigger than. And thin, thinner than, okay, thinner than. So we have to double the final consonant letter because we have I, thin. I is a vowel letter. So if the adjective ends with a consonant letter and before a consonant letter what? A vowel letter. So we have to double the final consonant letter. Like big, bigger than, okay? If the adjective ends with y and before y, a consonant letter. So we have to omit or cross y and add ier to the adjective. Like when I say happy, okay, happy, it will be happier than. So what happened? We omit or cross y and add ier to the adjective. So happy, it will be happier than. And easy, easier than. Okay? That we talked the last time. Comparative adjective. We add er to the adjective plus than. If you find the adjective with er, so we must put than after the adjective. Okay? If you find than, so you have to write the adjective or choose the adjective with er. Okay? Yes. Today, we are going to talk about what? Superlative. Okay? Superlative means what? Superlative means we use the superlative form to compare one person or thing to a group of people or things. Okay? So we have difference between comparative and superlative. Okay? Comparative means what? We compare between two things or two people. But superlative means we compare between one person to a group. Okay? To a group of people. One person to a group of people. So the form it will be what? Adjective, we have adjective plus est. But we have to put there before the adjective. Okay, like when I say we have tall, so tall it will be the tallest. Okay, we use the and add est to the adjective. The tallest. Okay, small, the smallest. Did you understand this point? Yeah, let's move to the next. Okay, if the adjective ends with e, just add st to the adjective. Like when I say fine, it will be the finest. Okay, wide, the widest. If the adjective ends with a consonant letter and before a consonant letter also a vowel letter, like comparative, okay, we double the final consonant letter. Like when I say sad, it will be the saddest, okay, hot, the hottest. And also, if the adjective ends with y and before y a consonant letter, so we have to cross y and add ist to the adjective. Like when I say funny, it will be funniest, and noisy, it will be the noisiest. Okay? Yeah. So the difference between comparative and superlative. Comparative means we compare two people or two things together. And superlative means we compare one person to a group of people, okay? To a group of people. Comparative, we add er to the adjective plus than. But superlative means we add est to the adjective, but before the adjective we have to put there. Okay? Comparative, like when I say taller than, shorter than, bigger than, happier than. Okay? So we add er plus than. But for the adjective in superlative, we have to add est to the adjective and before the adjective, right there. Like when I say the smallest, okay, the tallest, the happiest, the funniest, okay, the saddest. So in superlative, we add est to the adjective and before the adjective we have to write that. Okay, did you understand comparative and superlative? Comparative, we add er to the adjective plus than. But superlative means we add est to the adjective, but we have to write before the adjective there. Okay? If you find the adjective end with er, so the adjective must follow it by than. Okay? Smaller than. And if you find the adjective end with est, so you have to choose there before the adjective. You have to write. You must write there before the adjective. The smallest. Okay? Yeah. I hope you understood the lesson for today. Okay? So page number in your booklet, page number 113 and 114. This will be homework. Okay? See you next time.